Cancer. If this message found you today, pause for a moment and breathe slowly. Cancer energy moves deeply through emotions, intuition, and the quiet awareness of what is happening beneath the surface of life. You often feel changes before they become visible. Lately, many Cancerians have been sensing a shift in their emotional world. It may not look dramatic from the outside, but inside there may be questions forming about where certain relationships, goals, or personal dreams are truly heading. Cancer naturally wants security. You want to know that the effort you give to people and situations is meaningful and valued. When something begins to feel uncertain, your heart notices immediately. This reading explores the deeper movement happening around you now. Some things are slowly completing their purpose, while other opportunities are beginning to grow quietly. The changes ahead are meant to guide you towards stronger emotional stability. The first card entering this reading is the Moon. The Moon is a powerful card for Cancer because it reflects your natural connection to intuition and emotional awareness. When this card appears, it often indicates a time where not everything is visible yet. Recently, you may have sensed that something around you feels unclear. Perhaps someone's behavior changed slightly, or a situation began creating subtle doubts. The Moon suggests that your instincts are noticing signals before logic can fully explain them. This does not necessarily mean something negative is happening. The Moon simply shows that you are currently navigating a period where answers are forming slowly. Information may still be unfolding behind the scenes. Cancer energy can sometimes become anxious when certainty is missing. But this card reminds you that patience will reveal what you need to know. Observing carefully is more helpful than forcing immediate conclusions. Trust your intuition during this phase. The quiet feelings you experience are guiding you toward understanding, even if clarity has not completely arrived yet. The second card appearing now is Four of Cups. The Four of Cups speaks about emotional reflection and reevaluating what truly satisfies your heart. Cancer, there may be moments recently where you felt slightly disconnected from something that once excited you. Perhaps an opportunity appeared, but did not feel as fulfilling as expected. Or perhaps someone offered something emotionally, yet you were unsure whether it truly matched your deeper needs. This card often appears when your heart is becoming more selective. You may be realizing that not every option deserves your emotional investment. Growth sometimes means learning to say no to situations that do not align with your inner peace. The Four of Cups also reminds you to remain open to possibilities that may arrive unexpectedly. While reflecting on what is missing, you might overlook something valuable that is quietly being offered. Balance your emotional awareness with curiosity. Sometimes a new opportunity appears in a form that initially seems small but later reveals greater potential. The third card stepping forward is Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups represents emotional wisdom, compassion, and intuitive strength. Cancer, this card reflects your natural ability to understand the feelings of others while remaining connected to your own inner guidance. You may currently be playing an important emotional role for someone around you. Friends, family members, or even colleagues might be turning to you for understanding or support. While offering kindness is one of your strengths, the Queen of Cups also reminds you to protect your emotional energy. Supporting others should never require you to ignore your own needs. This card encourages you to trust your inner voice. When you listen to your intuition, you can easily recognize who deserves your care and who may be draining your emotional balance. Your compassion is powerful, but your peace matters equally. Maintaining that balance will strengthen both your relationships and your personal well-being. The fourth card appearing now is Ten of Cups. The Ten of Cups carries beautiful energy for Cancer. It represents emotional fulfillment, harmony in relationships, and the feeling that life is aligning with your heart's deepest hopes. For many Cancerians, this card indicates that something meaningful is developing in the area of family, love, or emotional connection. A relationship may become stronger, or an important conversation may bring greater understanding. The Ten of Cups can also reflect personal happiness that comes from feeling emotionally secure within yourself. You may begin noticing that your perspective is changing. Instead of focusing on uncertainty, you may start appreciating the stability already present in your life. This card suggests that the emotional foundation you have been building is beginning to strengthen. The connections that truly matter are becoming clearer and more supportive. Harmony does not mean life becomes perfect. It simply means you begin recognizing where genuine love, trust, and comfort already exist around you. The next card stepping forward is Eight of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles speaks about effort, dedication, and the quiet work that happens behind the scenes before success becomes visible. Cancer. This card suggests that a large part of your life right now is focused on building something steadily. You may be investing time into improving your skills, focusing on work responsibilities, or developing something that requires patience and consistency. This effort might feel repetitive at times, but the purpose behind it is long-term growth. The Eight of Pentacles reminds you that mastery is created through repetition. Every small improvement you make now strengthens your confidence and capability for future opportunities. Sometimes Cancer energy can become discouraged if progress feels slow or unnoticed, but this card confirms that your effort is not being wasted. Others may be observing your dedication even if they have not spoken about it yet. Continue giving your best attention to what you are building. The consistency you show now is laying the foundation for stronger stability and recognition in the near future. The next card emerging is Three of Cups. This card carries uplifting and supportive energy. The Three of Cups represents celebration, friendship, and meaningful connection with people who appreciate your presence. Cancer. You may soon experience a moment where you reconnect with supportive individuals in your life. This could be friends, family members, or colleagues who genuinely enjoy sharing positive moments with you. The Three of Cups often appears when something worth celebrating is approaching. It might be a small achievement, a joyful gathering, or simply a moment where you realize that you are surrounded by people who care about you. This card also encourages you to allow yourself moments of happiness. Cancer often spends so much time caring for others that you sometimes forget to enjoy the lighter side of life. Let yourself laugh, reconnect, and celebrate the positive relationships around you. Emotional support from others will strengthen your sense of belonging and happiness. The next card stepping forward is King of Pentacles. The King of Pentacles represents stability, maturity, and responsible leadership. Cancer. This card often points towards someone in your life who carries strong, grounded energy. This person may be practical, dependable, and focused on building long-term security. They may offer guidance, support, or even opportunities related to work or finances. For some Cancerians, this card may also reflect your own development. You may be stepping into a more stable and confident version of yourself, especially in areas involving financial decisions or career responsibilities. The King of Pentacles reminds you that true security grows through patience and thoughtful choices. Avoid rushing important decisions. Instead, focus on building stability step by step. This card carries reassuring energy. It suggests that long-term success is possible when you remain consistent and grounded in your actions. The final card closing this reading is the Star. The Star is one of the most beautiful cards for emotional healing and renewed hope. Cancer. After moments of uncertainty or emotional exhaustion, this card signals that your spirit is slowly returning to balance. You may begin feeling lighter, more optimistic, and more connected to your dreams again. The Star often appears when life starts guiding you toward a calmer and more meaningful path. Healing does not happen overnight, but this card shows that emotional wounds are gradually being replaced with understanding and strength. The Star also reminds you that your presence can inspire others. Your kindness, sensitivity, and compassion often bring comfort to people who are struggling. Trust that the direction ahead is becoming clearer. Even if the journey felt confusing before, You are moving toward greater peace and emotional alignment. Before we close this reading, if this message resonated with you and you want clarity about your personal life situation, I offer personal tarot readings starting at $9, where we focus specifically on your questions, relationships, and future decisions. If you would like deeper guidance each month, there is also a monthly membership for $99, where we explore patterns, timing, and spiritual direction in greater detail. If this reading spoke to you, like the video, share it with another Cancer who may need encouragement, comment what part of the message felt most accurate, and subscribe for more detailed readings like this regularly. Take a moment now and repeat this affirmation. I trust my intuition to guide me wisely. My dedication is creating stability and success. Supportive people and positive opportunities surround me. I welcome healing, hope, and emotional fulfillment into my life.